Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video I want to quickly guide you on something. One of the common mistakes people do when they are starting a business online is building a business that is out of what they really want. They build something that is later down the line they kind of feel like is feeling more like a job to them than having a business. If you know, they're working more on the business than they think they should be working on. And why have I come up with this? It's because of this is common, because I got a few questions from people I was answering, and I thought I should share this with you. Now, if you're looking to start a business online and you don't know what product to sell, you don't have any idea of where to begin, one thing you have to understand is, why do you want to start the business in the first place? Because that will dictate everything that's going to happen to you along the way. Now, let me give you a pretty much good example so that you can understand what makes sense of what I'm saying. Now, if you're looking to start, for example, when I was looking to start, my goal was to spend time with my son. That was like the goal, what I was aiming for. So you have to have something that you're aiming for you to know exactly the kind of business that will suit that kind of lifestyle that you want. Now, again, there has to be some sort of financial figure that you will reach, which will help you to spend time with your son. So in your case, whatever that is for you, you have to define what that is for yourself. Now, once you find what this financial figure is, let's say it's $5,000 or $10,000 or $20,000 every single month. It doesn't matter what it is, but once it's defined, but don't make decisions to build a business to just generate you sales to hit that figure, because you will find out sometimes it will conflict with your goal, and whereas your goal is to spend time with your son, you build a business that is taking more of your time, you're still not spending time with your son, so you feel unfulfilled in the process. So what I'm saying to you here is, make sure that the why that you're starting the business is always at the point of every decision you're making, whether it's the sales, whether it's the products that you're picking to promote. How are you going to market it? How is it going to be delivered? How is the services? How is the return? How are you going to accept payment? All these things has to go through your why. That's spending time with your son. None of them should be taking you away from your family or whatever that goal is for you. So that's what I want to share with you. Always make sure that your why comes in front, so that will help you to filter out, make decisions very fast on what is in line with your vision. Make sure it's in line with your vision of the kind of life you want to create for yourself, so that you don't conflict what you're creating in the future, if that makes sense. So that's what I want to share with you. I hope this will help you in terms of making decisions towards whatever goals or dreams that you're aspiring to build. And just don't forget that it's possible. You can build it. It's just get the right training and the right mentorship, and you are on your way. And apart from that, it's a short video from me. I thought I'd just give it to you quickly, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.